What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem here. Now in this video I'm going to do the installation of this acoustic foam inside my studio right here. Now I've been wanting to do some sun treatment into this room, so I recently do some renovation of my room. So I'm using these acoustic foams. I put a link for these in the description of this video. Now this one that I got is the blue and black color. You know that blue is my favorite color, so I basically go with blue and black, give it some amount of blending. Now also to stick this on this wall, I also got these as well. I'm gonna put link for these as well in the description of this video. So the size of these acoustic foam is 12 by 12, as you can see on the package right there. We got a number of 52 of them inside right here. Unbox it. We got a user manual right here inside that we can look to install these. This is a lot. So as you can see guys, these are acoustic foam right here, so we can basically pull out these, and this is how them actually look. Now these can get a bit swell if you're using like a blow dryer or something like this to puff it up a bit more, so I'm just gonna work with it just as the way it is. Now I also have the stick to stick it on the wall. I'm gonna stick it on this wall right here for my backdrop in my videos, so you guys gonna see that. Now before I go further into this video, I'm going to do a sound test so you guys can see before and after. Now as you can hear me talk right now, a lot of reverb inside this room right here, because this room guys is not treated. It basically sealed. The sound is basically bouncing off the wall. I'm getting a lot of reverb right here, and I'm going to also do an update video when I finish install these acoustic foam to see how well this improve in terms of my sound treatment. Also gonna do this for sound treatment and also for aesthetic, instead of like when I'm using my backdrop inside my videos, it giving that nice look also. So you guys can hear me right now, and I'm gonna update the video again to let you know and let you see how it basically work in terms of me using this right here for sound treatment. Alright guys, so these are the sticks that I'm going to use to put these on the walls. So we have a lot of them right here, and look something like this. I'm going to space off these, put them to the back and on these. So I'm going to this like this, and I'm going to place these stickers on the back right here, so we can place it anywhere on the back and the four corners in which we want. So I'm place it on right here. Once I do that, you can peel off this top piece right here, apply it to the wall very perfectly. You want to put them to the four corners so that it stick perfectly. Then we can peel off this piece right here. And once you peel off your back right there, it looks something like this. Then what you want to do is to paste this on the wall. So I want to get it in line with this table, a bit right up here, just like so. I want to get it well even. You want it to be leaned. Then I'm going to install this one up to the top. This right here, just like so. So I'm just going to keep on using the exact pattern, go across so you guys can see. Alright guys, as you can see, I've installed my acoustic foam on the wall so far. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this for my backdrop in my YouTube videos. So I have a lot more that I'm going to install as well, but I'm going to install them around the room to give it a more aesthetic look. So I'm going to install them on each of these walls, give it that nice look over there, and this is how it look in my backdrop. So I'm going to show you guys update how it look later on in this video. So as soon as we get to that, I'm going to install the rest and let you guys see. I'm not sure if you can hear any difference right now in terms of when I'm installing these in the voice that I'm speaking right now. So later on in this video, I'm going to update, let you guys see. Alright guys, so basically I've installed one more section up there, which give it a nice aesthetic look. So I'm gonna move on to this section so far, and it's looking quite fine. It's coming along. So guys, I have finally installed this acoustic foam inside the room studio right here, and this is how it turns out. So I have installed one over this side as well, and this is how it look. It's looking pretty neat. I love the aesthetic of this right here. So I'm going to do one more test again to let you guys see how it look, how it sound with this acoustic foam right here. Alright guys, so I have finally completed this acoustic foam inside my room right here, and you guys can let me know if there's any difference with the sound quality. But there also can see a big difference in terms of my background. As you can see right there, it looking more professional. So I put link for these in the description if you guys want to purchase one of these for your like home studio setup, YouTube studio setup, and those things. And I'm loving it. It just basically takes a lot of time to install, and it's really great product. And you guys let me know in the comment section if you guys hear any difference in terms of my sound quality, if you guys hear a lot of reverb or a lot of echoes. So you guys can let me know what you think of this right here. And for me, I think it's a great product. I love how it give me that great aesthetic look. You guys might not choose the blue or black color. You can choose any color of your choice. Just that I prefer black and blue, because blue is one of my favorite color, and I prefer it inside my studio right here. So I'm loving it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.